What's going on, everybody? It's the Home Theater Hobbyist here, and today we have another unboxing for you. It's from Q Acoustics. It's their first 12-inch subwoofer. It's called the Q B12, and I'm pretty excited about this, so let's get to it. If this is your first time visiting the Home Theater Hobbyist channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find product reviews, comparisons, unboxings, talk about streaming media. There's even a Home Theater Basics series. So why don't you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted anytime we upload new content. So here it is, the Q B12 from Q Acoustics. I have reviewed several of their speakers before and I like them. I like the Q Acoustics sound. So I'm looking forward to getting this box and hearing how their new 12-inch driver actually sounds. But if you aren't aware of Q Acoustics, they are a UK-based speaker company. They sell floor standing speakers, bookshelf speakers, home theater systems, sound bars, speaker wires, and basically everything you need to get the audio portion of your home theater going. Now, let's talk about this. As I said, this is a 12-inch driver, which means it has a 12-inch speaker that is front firing in a sealed cabinet. Now, this particular subwoofer comes in 4 different colors, including black, white, gloss black, and gloss white. And the reason why Q Acoustics gave all of those different color options is because they wanted to match up with their existing lineup of speakers, including the Concept and the 3000i lineup. And I've reviewed both of those and I like them both, and you can check out those videos. I'll put links in the description below. But as I said, with this one, this is a 12-inch driver and it is fairly big. But as you can see, if you have this delivered to your home, you've got that Q Acoustics logo there up front, along with a speaker there, and then down there at the bottom it says Q B12 subwoofer. So you want to make sure that you're home when this is delivered so no one sees it and takes it off your porch. But this weighs about 55 to 60 pounds, so it is a little bit heavy, but I was able to bring it up my stairs by myself. But depending on your physical ability, you may need a little help to bring it up the stairs, down the stairs, or move it around, so make sure you plan accordingly. But otherwise, Q Acoustics has done a very good job of packaging this and shipping this. The box looks solid, and I'm kind of done talking. I want to go ahead and get in this box, so let's get to it. Okay, here we go. All right, first thing you notice is there is some nice dense foam at the top of this, making sure you protect your speakers. Just that there, so you can see that's some pretty thick foam. And there we go there. Now they've got this box here, and I guess it's got all the connections in it. It's got a little blue dot here for me. It says UK, EU, US, or I guess that's Australia. So this is, obviously the packaging depending on which country you're in, and it probably has to do with which power cable is in here. So let's see. We've got the Q Acoustics manual along with the cover that's going to go on the back of the subwoofer. Got a power cable and the floor spikes for the speaker. And that's everything that's in this little small box. Okay, so now the subwoofer is out of the box, but that's what the inside of the box looks like. Got a few packages of desiccant down there at the bottom, and again, you've got that same trusty foam just to protect the subwoofer itself. So this is the bottom of the subwoofer. Right here you've got the holes to put in the spikes, and since I have the spikes here, I'll go ahead and I'll attach them. The Q B12 from Q Acoustics is a sealed subwoofer with a 12-inch driver. It features a Class D amplifier that outputs 220 watts of continuous power and 440 watts of peak power. It has a frequency response from 28 Hz to 300 Hz. The Q B12 stands 15.75 inches tall, 15.75 inches wide, and 17.56 inches deep without the floor spikes, and it weighs 40.8 pounds. It costs $499 for the black and white versions and $599 for the gloss black and gloss white versions. So that's it, the Q B12 from Q Acoustics. Now I want to talk to you about my initial impressions. And overall, I think this is a nice subwoofer. The surface finish feels really nice and good to the touch. Feels nice and premium. Comparing this to the Monoprice SSW-10 that I recently reviewed, it had a similar surface finish to it. This feels more premium than that, so that's kind of nice. Up front, you've got this grill here that I think just remains on. I don't think it detaches. I'll check the manual, but I don't think it detaches, but otherwise it looks pretty cool. And you've got that Q Acoustics logo right down there. Okay, so on the rear of the speaker, you can see you've got the power amplifier here with this Q Acoustics logo. Over here, you've got your volume and crossover adjustments. And inside here, you have your connections for your speaker wire along with your power cable. And this little door is actually what fits over here and just snaps on. And your power cable actually snakes through a little hole right down there out the bottom, so you can get your cables in and out. Now, this isn't a full review. I will be doing a full review that'll be published probably in about a week and a half, because I'm going to set this up. It'll probably sit over there because that's typically where subwoofers sound the best in this room, but I'm going to do a subwoofer crawl so I can make sure this sounds the best. I'm going to break it in for about 24 to 30 hours, and then I will start my review process. And so in the full review, you will hear some audio samples along with some additional pictures of it set up here in the room wherever it's going to go. And I'll just talk about my general impressions of it. But if you want to purchase this or anything else from Q Acoustics, why don't you use those links in the description below? If you have any questions about this, leave those in the comment section below and I'll try to cover it in the full review. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll talk to you next time.